What's going on, guys? Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency breakdown video, and in this video guys I'm going to be discussing ZRX OX protocol, and I'm going to show you the technical side, my price targets, and the fundamental side, and what exactly is ZRX and why is it absolutely pumping in price at the moment. Before I jump into this video guys, I just want to bring your attention to my Telegram. So last week I posted about ZRX. I'm going to just read what I put. I said ZRX, after the recent surge in price has retraced to the 618 Fibonacci retracement. Looking at how the price is behaving, we could be ready for another surge higher as long as the current support holds. Medium term target is 35 cents. And if you guys don't know, price has surged 50% since this trade call, and I give all these trade calls and all my analysis on my free Telegram. If you don't already, go and give me a follow on my free Telegram. The link is in the description. So let's go to the CoinMarketCap, guys. I just want to show you ZRX is in the top 100, is currently ranked number 34 in the top 100 cryptocurrencies with volume and market cap, and it is number 1 in the top 100 with change in price. Is over 18% up this day alone. Also, if you're interested in trading this coin, guys, I just want to show you where you can trade it at. Binance. Also, now if you live in the UK, you can also buy ZRX through coinbase.com, guys. So it's really easy to buy now, and I think that's had an impact on price as well. So I just want to show you guys the fundamental side of what ZRX. So I'm going to just quickly read you what ZRX is exactly. So ZRX is an open source protocol built on the Ethereum blockchain. So it's an ERC20 token that enables peer-to-peer exchange of Ethereum based tokens. It's also referred to as a decentralized exchange. So what this means, guys, is that the OX is built for decentralized exchanges. So if you want to start a decentralized exchange, you build it on the OX protocol on the ZRX using the ZRX token. And as we move into a more tokenized economy, I mean, you'll be able to tokenize stocks, gold, real estate, video games, etc., and you can do all this peer-to-peer exchange built on the OX protocol that uses the ZRX token to power it. So I believe this has a lot of potential, has a lot of real use case as we move further into a tokenized future, guys. So if I show you the technical side of it and what's been happening with price. So more recently, we bottomed out on August, where price was roughly 15 cents. And since then we've had a price increase roughly now of 120%. So I just want to show you, so a lot of altcoins are currently struggling, but ZRX has just literally defied the whole market, and it's had a 100% increase in the past 2 weeks alone. Like I said in my Telegram, I gave the trade call at this range here, roughly about the 19 to 20 cent region. I said if this 618 fib holds, we could see a price surge higher to roughly 35 cents. And as you can see, we're literally just a few cents away from actually reaching my target. And this was a trade call of roughly 75%. So like I said, guys, if you don't already follow me on my Telegram, I mean, last week we smashed Chainlink. I made a trade call and we made over 50%, and we've made over 75% in the past week alone. So that's over 100% gain. Anyway, so go give me a follow on my free Telegram. The link is in the description. So currently we're looking for a retest of 35 cents. I mean, this aligns perfectly with the minus 618 fib extension. It looks like we're going to hit this anytime soon, but we could find some resistance at, like, as you can see, we've had multiple rejections on this counter trend line here, and it coincides bang on with the 618 fib. So I'll expect a potential resistance at this area here. I mean, if we can surpass this, I mean, the next price target, if I get another ZRX chart here, so with a bit more data on it. So like I said, if we break above this this counter trend line that we have going on here, so if we manage to break above, the next target would be further up resistance where we had roughly at 47 cents. So if we break above this and we take out all these previous rejections that we had in this area, I mean, my next target would be where we found where previous support turned into new resistance of roughly about 48 to 50 cents. So that's my next price target. As you can see, price is still pumping away, and it looks like we're going to retest this counter trend line. So ZRX is one of the coins that I have been accumulating for a while. All this was given on my Telegram, along with Chainlink and basic attention token. I'm going to do a more in-depth breakdown in the next few days. So just going to bring your attention to ZRX, and one thing that you'll notice, guys, is a lot of these coins that are performing well, even in this altcoin bear market that we seem to be stuck in for over a year now. I mean, the coins that are performing the best are the ones with actual real use case and people using. I mean, imagine this in a bull run where we're going to get more and more a tokenized economy. A lot of companies, a lot of exchanges are going to be building on the OX protocol, and this will just be more and more bullish for this coin. Also, guys, like you guys voted for to me do a quick breakdown of XRP and what's been happening. Again, if I go back to my Telegram, I just want to show you guys what I've been saying. So XRP has been another of my coins. So even back last week on October the 8th, I said this is the next price target, and I've been covering this step by step. So even back here, I said my next target is 32 cents, retest, and then we absolutely exploded on this ascending triangle. And I just want to show you, currently we've broken above this resistance. I mean, it's very important for this daily candle to break above this gray zone that I have here. I mean, if we have a candle closure above this region, I see there's no reason why we can't retest this 35 cent region. I mean, we've been making these lower highs, and then we're going to take out this most recent high, which will be bullish for price, especially with this bullish candle. My next resistance, or if you're trading this, my first take profit zone would be about 32 cents. If we manage to clear this region here, which coincides with this whole region of resistance here, I believe we could test this previous support, which will now be termed resistance, of roughly 37 cents. But this will all depend if we can get a candle closure above this gray zone here. We break above this here, then I believe we can surge to 37 cents. So XRP looking quite bullish at the moment in time, but it will depend on this candle closure. I mean, we've still got a few hours till we see this candle closure happen. So hope you enjoyed this brief video about ZRX, guys. Leave it in the comments section. Which coins are you currently accumulating? Do you hold ZRX? Do you hold XRP? Please leave it in the comments section. I would love to know what you guys are currently holding and accumulating. Very bullish on this coin indeed, and for what the future holds. So don't forget to follow me on my free Telegram. Like I said, guys, this week alone you've been benefited well over 100% in my trade calls. They're all for free, and I also do giveaways. Like and subscribe, give this video a like, and any feedback please leave it in the comments section. Anyway, I'll see you on the next video. Crypto Chris over and out, and I'll see you guys on the moon.